Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. In today's video, I have this gigantic 3 BHK apartment for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, the flat is spread across 1850 square feet of built-up area and has got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 balconies. It's an G+12 structure building and the flat is located on the 10th floor with facing west direction and overlooking main road. It's a fully furnished apartment with modular kitchen. The apartment is available for sale directly from the owner. Within 1 to 2 kilometers, you can find all the markets and grocery stores. Public and private transportation are easily accessible from the project location. This region is home to some excellent colleges and universities. There are also a few good shopping centers, parks, gyms, banks and libraries in the area. There are plenty of restaurants within your budget. So there are a lot of options to choose from when it comes to food. There is also pipe gas facility available in the property and daily needs shopping could be done within the society premises to make the stay convenient. There have never been any problems with electricity or water outages. Therefore, the property is a quality construction. This large 3-bedroom apartment is situated near Sarjapur Road, which is essentially in Bengaluru's southern region. And the asking price for this flat is 1 crore 22 lakhs, slightly negotiable. That's it folks from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.